Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So we are starting our today's lecture, and in this lecture, I will just quickly moving through the instructions as I have already explained EDA and how to take the data-driven decision making. So up to this point, I have told and I have taught you almost each and every instruction and every line of code. So from here df.isNull.sum, it will tell you the null values, and if we write here ascending is equal to false, then it will tell the order according to the descending way. Means the top value will be come in the first, and likewise in the downward order. Okay, then we just simply printed the length of the dataset before moving the missing values, the length of the df. It will tell without when we haven't imputed the missing values. Okay, so after imputing missing values, how we imputed missing values? In this case, we just added drop now function. Okay, drop now function will drop all the null values or missing values, nan values present in the dataset. Okay, which dataset? DF dataset. And inside the DF dataset, which data is present? Google Play Store apps data of 10,841 apps. So we have imputed the missing values present in the Android version, current content rating, price, type, installs, and we just have in place as a true. In place true means just implement the changes we have made. Okay, then print this f stream. In this scenario we have used this f stream. It is actually a professional way of dealing with the print function. F stream, the length of the dataset after removing the missing values. Then we have to add this bracket, these curly brackets, for adding our condition. So length of the df, this time this length of the df will be printed, and after removing the missing values, now you know 10,829 rows are remaining. So 12 rows are dropped and deleted from the data set. So finding the trends using group by function. Df.group by installs category means we want to make the group of installs category, and on the basis of rating, and we want to check the statistical analysis of this using .describe function. Okay, and so installs category, no installs, very low, low, medium, high, very high, extremely high. This is what we this is the bins we have made in our previous lecture. You can check it out. Okay, then rating. Wait a second. So moving ahead, df rating.isNull.sum will tell you the null values in the rating column. Df.head in 5 will tell you the first 5 rows on the data frame, which is this data: category, rating, reviews, size in byte, installs, type, price, content rating, genres, art design, patented play, art and design, and art design, creativity. These are the genres. Okay, moving ahead, df installs category dot lock, df rating dot is null dot value account. What is this instruction is telling? This bracket means we just want to go into the column, and the column is installs category, and just we want to the location df rating, and we want to check if there are null values, and when we check the null values, we just want to print out their value counts. So installs category, which is very low, it has 1011 values. Low installs category has 322 values on the basis of rating, or so finding out the duplicate values. In this instruction, we just have to find the duplicate values of the whole data set. And here we are just finding the duplicate values present in the app column. The duplicate values can be of this type. One is game and the other one is also game. Then it is a duplicate. Okay, checking the number of duplicates of each column, and we just simply used for loop to print out the duplicate values of each column. You can see it here. We have to remove the duplicates. How can we remove the duplicates? Df drop duplicates. It will drop the duplicate values, and in place is equal to 2. It will just remove the duplicates, and now after removing the duplicate values, the output is 10,346 rows. Okay. Now this was all about data pre-processing. Advanced data pre-processing will come in the machine learning models, which we will be covering in our upcoming lectures. Okay, now we will get the insights from the data. Df category.valueCount.head, it will tell the value counts of the category column, means family. In the category family has 1939 apps, and the category of medical having the value count of 408. Likewise for all the category column. Which category has maximum number of installs? So we can use the group by function category against installs. We can see that game has and we are sorting it by the ascending falls, means it will be according to descending order. First the value will be highest, then in the downward order. Okay, game has the 3.15 multiplied 10 power 10, and family 1.00 multiplied 10 power 10. So this is how you can see that the scope of game is way higher than others. So if we want to make any app, we can use the category as game, because it's a trending and people are downloading it more. So this is how we use data to make the decisions. So df.group by category against rating. Mean it's the mean values. Okay, dot sort by ascending false set. We are just taking the first five rows and making the group of category against rating and mean. So we can see that the the apps having category events have the mean rating of 4.43. Arts and design, they have the rating of on an average 4.3, and personalization apps category having the rating of 4.33. This is how things are going. Okay, df go inside the column. Wait a second. Yes, df and df type free sort values and rating on the basis of rating ascending false. Okay, what is this data telling us? It tells us the df go inside the print the data of df, and just first five rows, and print those who have the type free. And when we come here, we can see that the type is totally free. Okay, and we are using just head to print the first five rows. If we remove this head, it will print all the values of the type free. And it's sorted by rating. Mean first of all the rating of 5 will come, then 4.9, 4.8, this downward trend. Okay, and this is how you can take multiple insights from the data. The instructions are in front of you. You can also uh, copy these instructions in your laptop to see how things are going. I have just plotted the data output, means free apps are too much than the paid. And you can also make the hue is actually giving the colors to installs category, means no installs color is green, means if the apps are paired, and no installs were these, and if the very high installs of yellow color, then if the app is free, and then the installs are maximum. This is how you can get the insights from the data, and you can plot all these graphs if you want. So this is all from today's lecture. Thank you so much.